Dear students, in last lecture we have already discussed the different breakdown mechanisms like suspended particle theory, cavity and bubble theory. The remaining portion of the breakdown mechanism, that is stress oil volume theory, that we discuss today. We know that in any oil liquid dielectric there are some impurities are always there in the commercial oil. The breakdown strength of the oil, that is determined by the largest possible impurities, or that is known as weak link. What is weak link? We know that whenever the portion in which the maximum impurities are available, that is known as weak portion of the oil. Now the breakdown strength is defined by the weakest region. The weakest region means where the maximum stress is produced, that is the place of maximum impurities, where the maximum impurities are available. Because we know that BDS, the breakdown strength, is inversely proportional to stress oil volume theory. The weakest part of the oil, which is known as stress oil volume, that means the portion at which the oil is more stressed, the field is more produced in that particular area, in which maximum impurities are available. Because of that impurities, the oil volume is more stressed. The breakdown voltage is highly affected by the gas content in the oil, because this gas content is the impurities in the oil. The viscosity of the oil, in which the breakdown voltage also depends, and third one, that is the presence of other impurities. So the breakdown voltage is affected by these three contents. As these impurities are uniformly distributed, if this is uniformly distributed, that means in everywhere the impurities are there, that will increase the stress oil volume. Our aim is to keep the stress oil volume minimum. Because of that, if the stress oil volume increases, the breakdown strength is reduces drastically.